Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you class 4 subject mathematics. Page number 39, word problems. Word problem number 3. Find the greatest number which divides 208, that means 208 and 64. हमने वो greatest number find out करना है जो 208 और 64 को completely divide कर दे. Alright? For that we are going to first find the HCF of this pair. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor, and the highest common factor means the greatest number which divides. Alright, so first of all we are going to apart our page in the two sections. One is for rough work and one is for the solution. First of all we are going to find out the factors of 208. 208 is the greater number. So first of all we are going to see this number and we see that the last number is even, and all the even numbers comes in the table of 2. That means 208 comes in the table of 2, at which number 104. Last number 4 is an even number, which means it comes in the table of 2, at which number 52. Last number 2 is an even number, which means it comes in the table of 2, at which number 26. 26 is also an even number, which comes in the table of 2, at which number 13. 13 comes only in the table of 13 and 1, at which number 1. So the factors of 208 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. Now we are going to find out the factors of 64. 64 is also a bigger number. So we are going to see that the 4, the last number, is an even number, which means it comes in the table of 2, at which number 32. 32 also comes in the table of 2, at which number 16. 16 comes in the table of 2, at which number 8. 8 comes in the table of 2, at which number 4. 4 comes in the table of 2, at which number 2, and 2 comes in the table of 2, at which number 1. So the factors of 64 are 2 multiplied by 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 2. So these side numbers are the factors of 64 and these side numbers are the factors of 208. Now we are going to find out the common factors. 2, 1 pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. So there are 4 2. 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4. 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 gives you 16. So 16 is the greatest number which divides 208 and 64. Now you have to solve these 3 word problems on your notebooks. Word problem number 1, word problem number 2, word problem number 3 on page number 39 on your neat notebooks, like this method. Alright, till then, thank you.